So firstly, we've drilled a small hole there, and it is just below the height of our little old pots that we've got that have had holes drilled in them. The lid has been cut off inside with 2 holes drilled, one in the middle and one very close to the edge. They are the size of our drain pipe, which has been cut to the height slightly above the height of our pot, but with a 45-degree angle at the top. Then we just put the 3 pots in the bottom of here, and then we do some magic with the t-shirt and the lid. I'll just get Roger to hold the camera. So we lay this over the top of the lid. This is a cotton t-shirt, which is important for wicking purposes. You want to pull it through the hole in the middle so that it's as deep as the pot. Once that's done, lay it over. Then you need to find the hole which is towards the edge, which is just there in my case, and we make a hole in that. If I can cut with these scissors. I don't know if I can. There is a hole. And then through that hole you stick your pipe with the 45-degree angle going down. If I can get that through. There we go. Should go through now. And then this goes in the bottom of the pot, and make sure that that's not, it's on top of the pot. There we go, that's it. So that is all the way down, and I've got my 3 pots underneath, so it's quite stable. And the remains of the lid goes round to ensure that it's a bit stable as a pot. I've now filled it with compost and planted 2 cherry tomato plants in there, slightly different varieties, and I'm now going to fill it with water down the pipe that you saw me put in. So let's get the water back going. And down here we can see the hole we drilled, and this is the overflow. So we'll know, hopefully, when we've got enough water in it. There it's coming out, so we turn the tap off. It's going to continue to dribble until it comes to the right level. And there we have one homemade, self-watering pot with tomatoes on that will go to my daughter's, and I hope will produce some lovely tomatoes for her.